Another interesting example is the one common tones under transposition for the Diatonic Collection. We all know the Diatonic Collection, like a C major scale or any major or any other church mode. We'll use the C major scale here. It's easiest 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. And there we have it. And if you check on a table or you run some program that gives you the interval vector, or you go back and do it yourself, so this one takes a while. It's an interesting interval vector. The numbers, all the numbers from 1 to 6 occur here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And each one of them occurs once. So we've seen a lot of interesting properties to the Diatonic Collection, and here's one more, that under each one of the transpositions that we can have, interval class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, there is a unique number of common tones under that transposition. So if we transpose, the one exception actually is that the tritone, like we said, even though there's one here, it'll actually give us 2 common tones, as will a half step up. So the one we're most familiar with is the transposition by interval class 5, which appears 6 times in the collection. And this is like transposing something perfect fourth up or perfect fifth down. Or if you transpose by 7, it'll be a perfect fourth down or a perfect fifth up. And we expect to have 6 tones in common out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So only one note will change. So here's transposing C major up by 5 half steps. But of course, we knew this, that when we go a fifth down from a major scale, we either take one sharp off or add one flat. Same goes for transposition by 7. We get the G major scale, and this is basically the circle of fifths. So every time we go up by a perfect fifth, we add a sharp, go down by a perfect fifth, we add a flat, or take off a sharp, and vice versa here. We could have taken off a flat. What's interesting here is that we can actually start to explore other possibilities. So we never talked really in tonal theory about what happens when you transpose by a whole step. You have 5 notes in common. What happens when you transpose by a minor third? You have 4 notes in common. So there's actually some interesting properties to explore in terms of transposition at different levels. So if we transpose by 3, we expect to have 4 notes in common. Here it's F, G, C, and D.